How to send follow request on TikTok. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up this method, so go ahead and open up the TikTok app on your screen. And then once you open up TikTok, you should be finding this interface. So what you're gonna do next is you need to locate up the person to whom you wanna send a follow request. So go ahead and search for that person from TikTok. You may use the search bar at the top right corner. After locating their profile, what you need to do is on their profile you should be finding a follow button, even if their account is public or private. So all you gotta do is simply hit this red follow button, and then once you do that, you will be sending follow request on TikTok very quickly and easily. So that is it. That is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.